Today, I'm going to show you how to add shapes into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, whether you're updating documents for work, marking up a report, or just making your PDFs clearer and more visually organized. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently add rectangles, circles, arrows, and more right onto your pages and customize how they look. Let's jump right in and get your PDFs looking sharp. First, start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This is your canvas, so make sure you've got the correct file open. Acrobat supports all sorts of PDFs, whether they're forms, images, or text-heavy reports. Once that's loaded up, take a look at the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a pane with several tabs. What we're looking for here is the one labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on the Tools tab. This is where Acrobat keeps all its various functions, almost like opening up a toolbox in your garage to pick the right instrument for the job. Inside Tools, find and select the Comment option. Clicking this opens up the comment toolbar, which may show up across the top of your window or sometimes as a floating toolbar on the left side. Adobe tweaks the look a bit depending on your version and settings, so don't worry if it's not in exactly the same spot as mine. This toolbar is your main hub for adding annotations, highlights, and most importantly for today, shapes. Now take a moment to look for the Drawing Tools icon in the comment toolbar. This icon can look a little different depending on your Acrobat version. It might resemble a marker, or sometimes it's a bundle of crisscrossed lines. When you spot it, click to expand a menu full of different shapes you can use. Acrobat gives you a range of options here, including rectangles and ovals, lines and arrows, and even more advanced shapes like clouds, polygons, and connected lines. If you want to make a perfect circle, a little tip. Hold down the Shift key while you're drawing the oval. The Shift key locks the proportions so you don't accidentally make an egg shape when you really wanted a circle. It's a handy trick I use all the time. Now you're ready to put the shape onto your document. Move your mouse to wherever you want the shape to appear. Click, hold, and drag your cursor to draw the shape to the size and the position you need. Acrobat will give you a live preview so you can adjust it just right. If your hand slips or if your first try isn't perfect, don't worry, it's easy to delete or modify shapes, and you can always undo your last edit. Once your shape is in place, it's time for a little customization to make sure it stands out exactly the way you want. Right-click on the shape you just drew and select Properties. This pulls up the Object Properties panel, where you can tweak things like line thickness, color, opacity, and fill color. Maybe you want your rectangle to have a bright yellow fill to highlight something important, or you want your arrow in bold red to point out a crucial spot. These options let you personalize your shapes so they communicate clearly. The Properties toolbar might even pop up automatically after you draw your shape, giving you quick access to these adjustments, so keep an eye out. Once you're happy with how your shape looks, click Close on the Properties window. Don't forget this last step: save your PDF document. That locks in all the changes you've made, so you or anyone else viewing the file in the future will see your nicely added shapes. And that's it, you've just added shapes in Adobe Acrobat and customized them to suit your needs. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into snags, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I check those regularly and I'd love to help. Be sure to subscribe for more handy PDF tricks and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.